Hello and happy Friday. My name is Nicole Wheeler and I am your instructor for HINF 690. I thought I would just jump on here real quick and do a little video and put a face to the name of who I am. All of you are welcome to watch this video. However, if you are currently working with your clinical site or you're working with your employer to complete your project for this course, you do not have to continue watching this. You're more than welcome to though. But if you are part of the group that's working on the project for this course, please continue watching. So I'm going to give you some information, walk you through some things that I have actually put into the course over this last week, and will hopefully clarify some things. So first, I'm going to let's see, go down here to the group project. So what I've done is I've actually created a separate module just for the group project. But before I do that, everyone that is in this course does have to complete this confidentiality statement. So once you've completed the confidentiality statement, you've printed it off, you've signed it, dated it, I would like you to upload it into this confidentiality statement submission. And then I will go ahead and add that to your student record. So we'll have that for this course. So back to the group project information. So what I'll do is I will, when I have new information pertaining to the group project, I will add it to this group project module. So when I go to the group project information, everything that I have added last week is still the same. Nothing has changed as far as the data and the website about hats, and then also the actual group project information. The second page in the information is updated. If you have not had a chance to take a look at it, please do, because what I will need for you to do, if you are in the group project, I will need you all to find a way to get together, whether it is virtually or if you are able to get together either on campus or some way. If some of you were able to meet on campus and the rest of you were able to meet virtually, you can do that as well. So if you have a hybrid way to meet, that way you can discuss and start disseminating the addresses from that worksheet in Excel. We need you to figure out the addresses if they're residential or if they're businesses, and then start filtering them from there. Start creating another, you can create another Excel spreadsheet and filter them that way. Put which ones are residential, which ones are businesses, and then filter them from there. Which businesses are healthcare, if they're hospitals, doctor's offices, behavioral health centers. We need to know which ones are what, okay? And this is going to take some time because there are a lot of addresses. So I need everybody to work together to decide who's going to do what. So this is where you're going to use those project management skills that you learned in that course. So if you want to delegate 1 or 2 project managers and then disseminate the information from there, that's fine. Or delegate whatever you need to do to work together to get this information sorted out. Please do so, and then keep track of your hours. If you only work a couple of hours this week, but then you work 10 hours next week or 12 hours next week, that's fine. As long as everything adds up to 64 hours by the end of the course, that's what matters. You don't have to have an equal 8 hours every week. That's not always going to be the case. As long as we have 64 hours by the end of the course, that's all I'm looking for. So please start working on that. What I've also done is I have created a discussion board here for group project participants, which it looks like some of you have already taken part of. So if you have not, please go to the discussion board and share your contact information with each other so that way you can reach out to each other and start to organize this group meeting, however you're going to be able to get together. Even if only a few of you can meet one day and a few of you the next, whatever you need to do to work together, okay? This is part of that project management piece as well. And let me see. The most updated announcement, besides the confidentiality statement, was last week, which I think most of you have already read that. We are still waiting on that site to give us more information. But in the meantime, I need everybody to go through those addresses and figure out what's businesses and what's residential, and then filter them from there. So, and like I said, that's going to take some time given all of the addresses. So please reach out to me with any questions, and that includes everybody, not just those of you that are working in the group. Anybody that has a question, please reach out. You can email me. If you need to set up an appointment to see me in person, you can do that through Starfish. So either or. I hope everyone has a great Friday and also a great weekend. Thanks.